Hi guys, here I am at Target. Let's check out to see what they have in the ladies' shoe wear. Alright, so if we come over here, we have these sandals here. These are universal threads, and these guys are, I'm not sure I see a price tag on these. So these over here, see the style guys? And this style, very nice. So let me see the price on those. So those say $19.99 guys. So that's for these and for these. So these are $24.99 for this style right here. And then these are $19.99 for this style right here. So that's nice. So they have this style here. I don't know why these tags are on the bottom. $24.99 guys for this style right here. So then they have this style here, and that's also universal threads. That one doesn't have a tag, but this one does. So they have it in black and in this color here for $22.99 guys. Isn't that pretty? Very comfortable. Then they have these for $19.99. That's how they look from the side. So it looks like they're getting rid of all they have all of their winter boots here on clearance for $17.48. And that's what these look like over here. So down here, where I can reach, okay, so these are universal threads and they're $27.99. I'm not sure, is this ladies? I think so. Okay, so they have that shoe. Then these sandals here are $19.99 guys, and look at them. Aren't they nice? I like those. And here they are. Let's take a look. So these are $24.99 for this style right here. Then you have this style, $27.99. And again guys, these are universal threads. Very nice. So these sandals here guys are $19.99. Look how nice and comfortable these guys look. And they come in the gold. So now they have this style here, universal threads, $19.99. I think that's the same shoe. Then they have this shoe right here, and that is $22.99. So guys, these shoes right here are $29.99, and these are a new day. That's what those look like. So I think I showed you these before. These are $19.99, and these are a new day, $22.99 for these sparkly ones. Aren't they nice? I love those. So these red shoes right here are $22.99, and they're made by a new day. Isn't that nice? Then they have these flats. So these flats, I'm not seeing a tag for. But these shoes over here are $22.99 for these flats. Aren't they nice? Here are $34.99. And this is what they look like from the side, guys. So these over here, let's see, they're not on sale. $34.99. This is what they look like on display. And this is the heel, guys, from the back. These are $29.99, guys. Look at those. And then this style right here is also from a new day, and that's $24.99 for that shoe right there with that wedge. These also are from a new day, and those are $29.99. There they are from that angle. So guys, these are the same here. These are the same wedges for $24.99. Then they have these for these are on clearance, guys, for $14.98. So they used to be $29.99, and that's what they look like. Then they have these red ones over here for $19.99, and here they are in black. Okay, then these right here with that slight wedge is $24.99. And look at these, guys. These are different. $29.99, and that is by a new day. See that? That is $34.99. That's what those look like. And these right here are $37.99. Then you have that shoe right there for $34.99. So on this side over here, you have this shoe for $24.99, and they come in that beige color too. See them, guys? So then they have this shoe. I don't particularly like this shoe, but if you guys like this shoe, it is $34.99, and it comes in black and it comes in that color. So this shoe here, I think I looked at before, Universal Threads, and that's $37.99, guys. I like that shoe. And here it is in the gray. And then I think I showed you these white ones before. So that's $34.99, guys. See that? The slight wedge. Okay, that's on display, and here it is in beige. $24.99. And then they have these for $29.99. There's that shoe right there. Then they have this shoe for By a New Day, $29.99. I like these. Don't they look so comfortable? Then this one here, $29.99, guys. Look at that. So this style right here is $34.99, and I think it's the same shoe. No, these are $29.99, and the heel is a little, no, it's the same size heel. So then these are Universal Threads, $34.99. And look at these, guys. I like these. These are so nice. Here's the other shoe. They're $29.99. See them? Those are nice. And here they have some slip-on ones. I don't see a tag though. Then these right here, guys, are $34.99. I think we saw these before. These are $24.99. $24.99 for these. And then those are Universal Threads. Did I say that? Universal Threads. And these here, $34.99, and these are also Universal Threads. Guys, look at these. I love these. Oh my goodness. They scream vacation, don't they? $22.99 for those, and I'm loving these. Aren't these nice too? I don't know if they have my size. I'm like a 6.5. This is $29.99 for that shoe. Very nice, guys. So I think I showed you this shoe right here. It's very comfortable, $27.99. And I'm absolutely loving this shoe. Oh my goodness, I love that shoe, $24.99. And then they have these flats here for $34.99, and that is by Universal Threads. And so are these, and I think those are $34.99. So then they have these. Oh look, they have it. I don't have to reach up so high. These are $34.99. These look very comfortable, and I'm loving these. Look at this, guys. I love those. So this is by, guys, I'm really not sure what that is, but anyway, this shoe is $22.99. So guys, I think these are the winter boots they're trying to get rid of over here, but I don't see a clearance tag on it. But these are waterproof, so maybe they're just rain shoes. Okay guys, thank you for coming with me to Target to check out their lady shoes, and I'll see you in the next video, guys.